Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Earlier, we showed you how to use silver clay paper and origami folding techniques to create a rose pendant. Today, we'll be making a rose ring at home with silver clay. If you're interested in silver clay jewelry making, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. For today's project, we'll be using 10 grams of silver clay. First, let's make the rose. Knead the clay thoroughly to remove any air bubbles and even out the moisture. Take a small amount, roll it into a ball. Flatten it, and then roll it up to form a petal. Repeat this process, adding one petal at a time around the outside. Once finished, insert a silver pin at the base and lightly brush a little water on the surface of the petals. Let it dry to a leather-hard, semi-dry stage. Then carefully remove the pin. Refine the base with a craft knife and smooth the surface with a sanding sponge. Next, let's make the ring band. Roll the silver clay into a ball, then shape it into a strip about 7 cm long. Carefully wrap the strip around a ceramic ring core that's lined with isolation paper and parchment paper, making sure the ends overlap. Trim any extra clay diagonally with a craft knife. Join the ends with a little water, and smooth the seam using sculpting tools. Let the band dry to a semi-dry stage, then gently sand the surface with a sanding sponge. Check the inside of the ring for any gaps and fill them with a bit more clay if needed. Now it's time to bring the rose and the band together. Use silver clay paste to attach the rose to the ring band, and you can use tape to hold it in place. Once it reaches a semi-dry stage, lightly sand the surface again. Use a brush to remove any silver powder, and it's ready for firing. Make sure the piece is completely dry before firing. You can speed up the process with a mug warmer, hair dryer, or toaster oven. For this project, we used kiln firing at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you'd like to use a gas stove, check out our gemstone ring tutorial for firing instructions. After firing, remove the ring from the core. Then brush away the white oxidized layer with a steel brush to reveal the silver surface. Finally, polish the ring with a polishing stick and cloth until it shines. And just like that, you've created your very own rose ring. If you'd like to try making your own silver clay jewelry, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop, where we've prepared beginner-friendly kits with all the essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss more tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd love to see your creations, or hear what projects you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!